Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a 3x3 speed cube, so let's get into it. To start, we have the core here, and for a 3x3, it's pretty easy to assemble when it's solved, so that's what I'm going to be doing for this video. To start, you just want to put an edge in very gently, and then get the corner, put it in there, and then get the corresponding edge to go here, which is white and green. So that's not it, here it is. You need to make sure you're holding it all like this, and then now you need to get this edge for it to be stable. So that's not it either. I'm looking through the camera, this is so annoying. All right, here it is. Whoopie-doo. Put it in, and now we have a block like this. Now we want to put this cross edge in like this, and then just make sure you're holding all of this. Get the corner and the edge into here, just like an F12 pair. There's the corner, and here is the edge. Now we have a 2x3 block, and now we need to put in this last cross edge. That's not the right one. This is so annoying. Here we go, and put this one in. Then we just basically need to make these two F12 pairs, which is easy. Just make sure you don't push this one out of the way. So I'll use my pinky here, or I'll just hold it like this. Push this corner in, and then get the edge. There we go. And just do that with the last one. There's one, there's two. Now for the last layer. We basically just want to put in all of the three edges here. So we're going to build a 1x3. So that's the next one next to it. And then the next one that's next to this one. So now we have this. Put these two edges that are next to it. So right here, and also make sure if it's not going in, just move in the center and move up the center, and then you want to put it in like slanted and put it in like that. But that's not for right now. Put this one in here. You might want to be able to get it in here and then just slide it over because that might be easier for you. And then we want to get these two side corners. So right here, then here. And this is probably the trickiest part, the last edge. You want to turn it 45 degrees and you want to put it in like this. If your cube is not loose enough, this will be very difficult. So maybe just loosen it a little bit and then you can tighten it back once you're finished putting it back in. But a trick that I use is just spread this corner out, put this in this way, like slanted, and just push really hard. It won't break, don't worry. Just push, and there we go. Fully assembled 3x3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you or you enjoyed it, please like and sub, and also bye.